Boom, welcome back to my channel, and today we are at Destiny Annex. I bring you Destiny Annex. Remember, is at Gazinike, Enugu, about 3 minutes drive to the Ugogo roundabout. That's off Enugu Nsukka Expressway. This is about 15 minutes to Nike Lake Resort off Nsukka Expressway, off Enugu Nsukka Expressway. This particular layout sits in a very serene and stable environment. A few weeks ago, we came to do allocation of the first phase of this particular layout, Destiny layout. And currently, we still have a few plots selling for 1.5 million naira at the Destiny Annex, which shares boundary with the main Destiny layout. It comes with a registered survey and a deed of assignment. Plot sizes are minimum of 500 square meter plot sizes. The plots are really big, right? And this is one place you want to invest your money in for huge ROI. Destiny began to sell for 800,000 naira about early this year, and is currently selling at 1.5 million. By this time next year, definitely there will be at least a 30 to 50% ROI on this investment. So call us today on 009673766 so we can book your inspection and help you secure your plots, your number of plots right here in Destiny Estate. So I'll see you soon, and I hope to bring you here for inspections and also to help secure your plots.
Yeah, my name is Anozie. I bought a plot at Destiny Layout, Gazinike, and today I got allocated to my plot. It was a wonderful experience. I came for inspection, I saw the land, I made payments, did documentation, and today I'm allocated a plot. So it was a wow experience. I think it's a good thing. If you have the money, you can come and invest and appreciate your money in the future. You can sell your land and get your money back, or you get buildings built up here. So I think it's a good thing.
I'm so happy. The process was organized. Okay. We moved quite on time from Independence Layout and came here. So I'm happy the whole procedure.
We're excited that after a few months, more than 86 plots have been sold, and we allocated the plots to clients today. We're excited. Well done. Well done. Myself, I'm Jeff Anozie, and this is Mr. Ben. All right, and today we're also launching the Annex. We're excited that this project is coming to you. So we encourage you to key in today. Comes in with 1.5 million naira, promo price, all inclusive, for a few plots.
Just 10 plots.
Just 10 plots. For just 10 plots. After that, the price goes up. So key in today so that the next allocation, just like this, you will also be allocated. Exactly. What do